today we're going to learn how we can create resumes using Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you're going to click over here and write create resumes on Canva and enter. Click on this option. Go to build my resume, but before you can read these. Build my resume. Okay. Here are all the resumes that you see. These are both pro and free. For now, I think I'm going to use free, so I'll find a free one. Oh, this is bad. Anyways, okay, I'll choose this one for instance, and I'm going to customize it. Over here, I'm going to add a normal everyday picture of anybody, like girl thinking flat. Let's choose that one. For now, I'll choose anybody over here, like this one. You can adjust how it is supposed to appear. Then choose your name. You can like A, B, C, whatever you want. You can also increase the font size as so, and as well as the font. See. So for now, I think I'm going to choose Daryl, and you can write about yourself and whatsoever. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.